Hello and welcome back. It's Amanda from Hookemcreations, and I'm so glad you're here today. Today I'm going to share my top 5 favorite tools to use as a crocheter and or knitter. Now, all these items I'm about to list will be listed down in the description box below with links to them as well. I am an Amazon affiliate, so if you buy an item using the link down below, I do get a small commission, which is one of the many ways you can support this channel. More on that later. Starting with number 5, my craft cart. I am always crafting. I'm always doing something. I even have my projects in bags as well, but my craft cart keeps the projects that I am working on most recently all in one spot. I'm able to wheel it around, so if I want to sit on the couch, I can sit on the couch and be comfortable. If I want to work on from my desk, I can wheel it over to my desk and work on it while sitting in my office chair, etc. It kind of goes with me all over the place, and since my office is in my living room, and sometimes I have to go into the kitchen to do some other things, it goes with me where I need it the most. And so the craft cart that I purchased came from Michael's. However, the one listed below is one very similar to the one that I have, but through Amazon. Number 4, my hand massage machine. Now, I saw another fiber artist, another crocheter use this particular machine, and I said that is a must. I need it because I am crocheting my hands off, especially during the holiday season when I was doing custom orders for like the last 4 years. I was doing custom orders during the holiday season, and it was crazy madness crocheting from September till December. This hand machine was a lifesaver for my hands, especially here in the Pacific Northwest when it gets cold and rainy and my hands get really cramped up during the cold and rainy season, which is 9 months out of the year. Number 3, my go-to crochet knitting bag. This bag was a TikTok must-have item that was floating all over the place, and I said, okay, I need to get myself one of these bags. And I went ahead and purchased it during one of Amazon Prime days and got it on sale, and sure enough, it was everything the crocheters from TikTok were saying. It was big. You could store full-size skeins of yarn. Like, I was able to fit 3 1-pound skeins of yarn just in the center pouch alone. You can travel on the plane with it, etc. Like, it had storage for your crochet hooks, your knitting needles, all your notions, and more. Now, I do have smaller bags on top of this go-to crocheting bag. I even have a really nice purse that if I want to feel a little fancy, I may throw in a small crochet or knitting project in there and be on my happy merry way. Number 2 is my tabletop Swift. I do have I have an umbrella Swift. However, it wasn't large enough for this hanks of yarn that I received for my Comfort Fade cardi, and it was very difficult to wind up my yarn with 2 chairs. So instead, I went ahead and ordered this Amish tabletop Swift from Amazon, and it has multiple sizes, and not only do I love it, but my kids love it as well, and they always enjoy helping mom out in the kitchen when it comes to winding up my yarn after a project. And last but not least, my number 1 item is my ball winder. Now, the ball winder that I have listed in my Amazon affiliates is the closest thing that I could find to the one that I have. The one I have purchased a long time ago, and the link is no longer active. It is very close to the Nordstrom ball winders. It does take up to like 10 ounces. I think I even pushed it to almost like 12 to 14 ounces of yarn. I mean, I pushed that sucker to its limits sometimes. Was not able to get a full 16 ounce, but I was able to get close to like 12 to 14 ounces one time. But that is it. Those are my top 5 favorite tools and notions that I like to use as a knitter and crocheter. What are some of your favorite tools? Let me know it down in the description. While you're leaving a comment, be sure to leave a like and hit the subscription button. Get notified of when the next video comes out by clicking the bell button. One of the other ways that you can help support this channel is by buying me a coffee, and that is down in the description box as well. And until next time, happy crafting.